Hello everyone, I'm back on Creatrix YouTube channel with very important update for all of you coming from Bharat Electronics Limited. Okay, so in this video I'll tell you all about the vacancies that have been released by Bharat Electronics Limited, who these vacancies are for, how can you apply for these vacancies, everything I'm going to tell you in detail in this particular video. But before starting the video, let me tell you one thing, these vacancies are for software experienced candidates. I'll tell you more about it in the video. So if you are a fresher, you do not have any relevant experience, this video is not for you. But if you are an experienced candidate, then please watch it till the end. Okay. So we all know that Bharat Electronics Limited is a very reputed organization. This is a Indian organization working in the electronics center with their main head office in Bengaluru. Okay. So now, it is a Navratna company and it is a premium electronics company of India. So they are inviting applications for the walk-in interview at 3 locations, Jammu, Ranchi and Guwahati. So it is not a written exam. It is just a walk-in interview for candidates at 3 locations, Jammu, Ranchi and Guwahati. Now, the vacancies that they have released are for BE, BTech, BSc, any degree you might have, electronics, okay, telecommunication, okay, ECE, that is okay, ETC, electronic telecommunication, that is also okay, triple E, electrical electronics, double E, electrical, communication, only, mechanical, CS, CSE, CS, IT, okay, and IT branch. So, mechanical, triple E, double E, ECE, ETC, okay, and IT, CS, all these branches are eligible for the post. Now these posts have been divided into 2 categories. One is in 52 posts, other are 58. In 52 the location is Visakhapatnam, 22 are unreserved, 5 EWS, 14 OBC, ST, SC7, ST4. In 58 the location is New Delhi, Ghaziabad, Bangalore. Okay, so this is more lucrative for most of the students. Unreserved 21, EWS 7, OBC 16, SC 8 and ST 6. So if you are comfortable with these locations, then only you have to apply. The upper age limit as on 1st of Feb is 31 years. Age relaxation for OBC is 3 years, SC ST 5 years and PWBD is 10 years. Okay. So age limit specified above, that is the 32 years, is for general category. Now, whenever you are applying through any category like SC, ST, PWBD, OBC, you need to have a certificate to show for that. Okay. Now, Project Engineer 1 for Vizag is for 2 years and you will be given a remuneration of 40,000 and 45,000. First year 40,000, second year 45,000. The second position, that is for 58 posts, the initial duration is of 3 years and it can be extended up to 1 year also. They will be given a remuneration of 40,000 in first year, then 45,000, that is each year it will be incremented by 5,000. And if you have completed 3 years as a trainee engineer in BEL and you apply for project engineer, you will be directly inducted in the project engineer 2, that is your salary will be starting from 45,000. If you have been a trainee at BEL and now you want to apply for the project engineer position, you will directly start from 45,000. Okay. Now the qualification is, as I told you, BE, BTech, BSc from reputed Indian university. Okay. And domains also I have told you. The percentage in your degree should be 55%. And what about the experience? On 1st of Feb, you must have 2 years experience in the software domain. That is, if you have worked in any IT company like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, that way, if you have worked for 2 years on 1st of Feb, then your experience will be counted. So last time when I told about the experience vacancies, many people were asking, sir, whether a software experience will be considered. Here they are exclusively asking for software experience. So if you have worked in private sector IT company, you can switch to BEL. Okay. Now, what are the technologies that you must have experience in? C, C++, Java, web technology, or experience in software testing, or not and, okay, or experience in software testing, or experience in system administration through Linux, Windows and RDBMS. So if you have industrial experience in software domain, then only you need to apply. If you have academic, teaching or research experience, that will not be considered. And you must have the experience certificate from your previous company so that you can prove that you are more than 2 years experience. Okay. And decision of the selection committee with respect to industrial experience will be final. That is, they can either accept your experience or they can reject it. You will not claim anything. It is their verdict. Mode of selection is a walk-in interview at Jammu, Ranchi and Guwahati. You need to clearly choose where you are comfortable going for interview. I know all the 3 places are remote places, but yes, you have to travel. And how you have to apply? You have to apply through a Google form that is given in this PDF. This is the Google form. If I click it, see, it is opening. Here you have to apply all the details. Okay. Marital status, religion, category, PWBD, address, correspondence address, mobile number, email ID. Make sure that you fill these details correctly. And these are the branches in which you can apply. Percentage marks, your degree and the marks card. That is your final marks percentage. Okay. Then location. Location you have to choose here. Name of the organization where you have worked. Okay. Designation and name of organization too. That is if you have worked for more than one company. So that way you have to fill this entire form. Okay. So let me just go back. Now, where were we? I was telling you about how to apply through this Google form. Okay. Now, online registrations have opened from 3rd of March and they will continue till 17th of March. And if you fill the form during this duration, then only you will be allowed for the walk-in interview. So you need to fill the online details. I have told you all the details. And you need to bring these documents when you go for the interview. Biodata with a recent photograph, that is your resume. Okay, matriculation certificate, that is class 10th. BE BTech degree. Okay, mark sheet of all the semester. CGPA conversion certificate. If your college gives a pointer, you need to have a certificate how to convert that pointer to percentage. Caste certificate in case you are applying for a category. ID proof, it can be Aadhaar card, voter ID, driving license or any other government ID. 2 recent size photograph. Post qualification certificate, that is your experience certificate. And if you are working in a PSU or a government organization, you need to have a NOC from your previous organization. Okay. General instruction, you will be provided a medical insurance scheme of 2 lakh if you get selected, life cover scheme of 5 lakh and a consolidated amount of 12,000 per year towards medical insurance premium, attire allowance, stitching charges, footwear allowance. That is 1,000 per month. That is not a big amount. Okay. So if you are currently working in BEL, then you need to give them prior information to the HR department that you are willing to apply for a project engineer. But if you are already a project engineer, you cannot laterally shift to another project. But if you are a trainee, you can tell the HR that you wish to apply for a project engineer. That is at the same level, you cannot shift to a new project. But if you are working one level below, yes, you can apply for this position. Okay. Caste certificate you need to have. And based on the information that you furnish in your application, you will be either selected or rejected. So this is very, very important. In case you have any queries, you can email to this email ID and this is the telephone number. So this is very good opportunity for those who have a IT sector experience because they can have a government experience on their resume. So that's it from my side. And let me tell you, beta, if you are preparing for GATE 24 and 25, there is a good news for you that we are starting an offline classroom program for 2024. Here you will get the top educators, in detail syllabus completion plus subscription, all the study material and state-of-the-art classroom batches. The classroom facilities are best. So you can join using the code AnkitESE. And if you join early, you will get 33% discount. For that, what you have to do, I have circulated a link on the Telegram. Just fill in your details on that link and the team will get in touch with you. If you are an existing Plus or Iconic learner, you get 50% off. If you shift from other coaching, you get 50%. If you join early, you get 33% and on merit basis, you get 20%. And in our online batch, we have started with a new subject, Signal and System by Sujay sir from 28th of Feb. and I'll be starting analog from 20th of March at 6:30 a.m. So if you wish to join Unacademy, join immediately using the code AnkitESE so that you can study with me personally and I can make sure that you get the best rank possible. For 2025 also, we have started with Signal and you can be a part of this batch by joining Unacademy using the code AnkitESE. If you like this opportunity, then definitely go and apply for it. If you have any queries related to the application, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll reply to each and every comment of yours. Okay, so that's it from my side. Let's crack it.